Now we are discussing about the country Philippines. The Philippines, officially the Republic of Philippines, is an archipelago, pelagic country in Southeast Asia. It is situated in the Western Pacific Ocean and consists of around 7,641 islands. It is wonderful. Around 7,641 islands are there in Philippines that are broadly categorized under three main geographical divisions from north to south: Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So one of the wonderful thing for Philippines country is it is the collective country of collective islands. So around 7,641 islands is combining, means it is a Philippines country. So it is a, we can feel that it is a rich country. And the capital city of Philippines is Manila. Dialing code is +63. That means those who are interested to talk with their friends and relatives in Philippines country, they should start in their mobile number +63 and their mobile number, then it will go automatically. And the currency is Philippine peso. Official language is Filipino English. Why Philippines is very famous? The country boasts of rich natural beauty in its many spectacular beaches, sunny weather, and rich biodiversity. More than that, the Philippines' unique and complex culture is exemplified by its people, and cuisine and lifestyle attracts many people to visit the country. Next point is Philippines is safe to visit. Philippines level 2 exercise increased caution. Last update is reissued with the update to health information. Exercise increased caution to the Philippines due to the crime, terrorism, civil unrest, and kidnapping. Some areas have increased risk. And next point is, do Philippines speak English? The Philippines is recognized globally as one of the largest English-speaking nations with majority of its population. Next point is why Philippines is beautiful. Why Philippines is a beautiful country? The Philippines is an archipelago comprising of 7,000 that is 261 7,641 islands with its extensive coastline. The country offers the best of island beaches, while white and blue water teeming and marine life, corals and lush foliage. The Philippines is blessed with a moderate climate, making it an ideal sun holiday destination. So 7,641 islands are combinedly will be called as Philippines, means it is great. Next point is, what food is Philippines known for? Adobo. No list of Filipino food would be complete without adobo. Lechon. That lechon is the most invited party quest in the Philippines. Sisig. Candice Lopez Quimpo. And next food is crispy spata. Next is chicken inasal, chicken inasal. And next food is tabanag talanga. And next food is panchit palabok. And next is bolalo. These are the famous foods in Philippines. And next point is, how long can I stay in the Philippines? The embassy issues single entry visa valid for 3 months and multiple entry visas valid for 6 months or 1 year. For all visas, visitors are allowed a maximum 59 days per stay, meaning if you have a multiple entry visa, you will need to exit and re-enter Philippines after 59 days in the country. And next point is, does the Philippines have snow? With the Philippines tropical and maritime climate characterized by three elements: high temperature, high humidity, and abundant rainfall, the conditions are simply not right to form snow. And especially the humidity is coming, means it is island, 7,641 islands means the surrounding is ocean will be there. So humidity will be generally very high. And the next point is, does the Philippines have snow? With the Philippines tropical and Maritime climate characterized by three elements: high temperature, high humidity, and abundant rainfall. The conditions are simply not right to form snow. And the next point is, can a foreigner own a house in the Philippines? Foreigners are prohibited from owning land in the Philippines, but can legally own a residence. The Philippine Condominium Act allows foreigners to own condo units as long as 60% of the building is owned by Filipinos. If you want to buy a house, consider a long-term lease agreement with a Filipino landowner. And next point is, where is the coldest place in Filipinos? That is the Sagaba and Dan Salvador Benedicto and Lake Cebu and Batanes and Tagaytay. These are the coldest places in Philippines. And next point is, what is the best month to visit Philippines? Best time to visit Philippines is during the dry season between November and April, when the country's beautiful islands and remote areas are fully accessible. The shoulder months of May and November are also good, as it is less crowded, but the weather is still lovely. And next point is, how many days foreigner can stay in Philippines? You may do either the following: apply for visa at our embassy for a maximum of 59-day stay, or apply to extend your stay directly with the Bureau of Immigration while already in the Philippines and prior to the expiration of your third 30 free visa days. That is the information. And next point is, how much is Philippines visa free? The visa for the Philippines costs around 38 US dollars. Depending on how you obtain the visa as a foreign citizens, you may incur process fees that can range from 20 US dollar to 60 US dollars. Other fees may also apply. This is the information regarding Philippines. Why I did this video is, those who are interested to go for study purpose or traveling purpose or business purpose, they should know the basic fundamentals. For that only I did this video. Wishing you all the best.